What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to password protect your WordPress forms page. So imagine the following scenario, okay? You have a form where your site users or your product users can submit a support request, okay? And this form is into a page, okay? But you don't want that this form receives some spams. You don't want that normal users or normal site visitors can have access to this form. You want to lock this form so only users that log in or only users with a password can access the form. How to do this? This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, okay? So let's get this started. You can apply the form on your page using any plugin that you want. This form was made using Contact Form 7. In the case that you want to learn how to add forms on your site, just go to YouTube or go to Google and type Contact Form plus Visualmodo so you can learn how to do this. After the form on your page, you can go to Edit Page option, okay? And open the WordPress page editor view, okay? Here is the Submit Request, Support Request Form page, okay? Here, only into this page, I only have the form. And what can I do? Can you see into the page status, into the WordPress right sidebar of menus? We have right here the page and the block. We can apply a featured image, we can see the status, published, link, author, templates, discussion, parent, order. So we're gonna click into the publish button, this button right here. And right here, we can apply the page to be password protected. So all you have to do is scroll down this panel and you can use a secure password, okay? So you can type a password to access this page. This password can be, for example, the WordPress order number, can be something that your users or the persons who have access to this page will know, for example, okay? Maybe an order number, maybe your billing info, maybe the account ID, something that all your users, all your site customers know, okay? Let me use this and let me save the changes. Now, let me go to the page. So, protected. To view, you need to enter the password. So, type the password and you can see the form, okay? Simple, easy, fast, and very, very effective, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or Utrecht right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.